Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Fix Everythings, the channel where we share practical tips and basic repair techniques for printers, photocopiers, and all kinds of printing supplies. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix a common issue with the HP LaserJet Pro M402dn, where printed pages come out with a black background negative effect, just like you're seeing here. If one day, out of the blue, you replace your printer cartridge and run into this issue, just follow my video. This is actually a pretty common problem when using laser printers. As you may know, when the primary charge high voltage is lost, the printout typically comes out completely black. On the other hand, if the developer magnetic roller bias voltage is lost, the page should theoretically come out completely blank. However, this case is quite unusual. The contact point we're checking here is for the developer high voltage. Under normal circumstances, a failure at this point should result in a blank page, but instead, the printout is completely black, as you can see. The reason is that the contact is not entirely disconnected. Instead, it may have poor contact or an unstable voltage level. This causes the toner supply process to become unregulated, allowing toner to adhere to the drum abnormally. As a result, the final printout appears completely black. Therefore, before concluding that the issue is caused by the high voltage board, make sure to carefully check this contact point. The two metal tabs should be springy and responsive. If they feel stiff or deformed, adjust them back to ensure proper contact. And of course, always rule out the toner cartridge as the cause before making your final diagnosis. Once the adjustment is complete, reinstall the toner cartridge and run a test print to check the result. If everything is working properly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me and stay tuned for more helpful videos. And that wraps up today's tutorial on how to fix the full black page issue on this printer. I hope this video will be helpful for you in real-world repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next videos on Tech Fix Everythings.